Yeah, hi there, and these comments are for AB. I'm just using your initials for privacy purposes, and I am Michael, the founder, owner, and the materials writer for all of your lessons at Stealth, the 7-step system to pass the TOEFL IBT, and you completed my integrated speaking practice test 11. You're also one of my students in the English language program over here at California State University, San Bernardino. Am I right? So let's listen to what you have to say.
When the speaking about two speakers discuss learning in a classroom, both of them agree with each other and each one gives additional information.
Now when you use the word them, you want to say not them, but them. You have to put the tongue between the teeth. Them.
The theme that is said, in many schools today, students are not interested in learning and find their classroom boring. The second said, many studies have shown that the fast learning and teaching is interactive in a classroom and gives example. The third said, it is a good idea if the teacher participates students. Therefore, students focus on the subject for a long time. The second said, another benefit to enjoy students in teaching as a friend but not as a one who gives them more. The first said, as a good teacher can encourage the student by giving them gifts. In conclusion, the two speakers.
Okay, so you ran out of time a little bit, but it looks like you covered, I think, most of the important areas, I think, of the listening passage. So in that sense, you're pretty good. All right, let's go to the rubrics and take a look at how you will score here. So I think your biggest weakness right now is probably more delivery on this one. And maybe in terms of topic development, you can probably organize ideas a little bit better. You might say, in the listening passage, they discuss two methods of interactive learning or something. Then the first method is, the second method is, so you can probably connect sometimes ideas together a little bit better. And in terms of delivery, as I pointed out, sometimes there's certain consonant sounds, for example, the TH, them, and maybe a few other sounds. You're not always sure how to pronounce those, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to understand what you're saying. Alrighty, and the recording is not that great either, so it was a little bit difficult to listen to your recording. So on this practice test, I'm going to give you 2.33 out of 4, 18 points out of 30 on this practice test, and for the purposes of our class, 2.33, this is going to put you at 80% on this practice test. Alrighty, thank you.